No matter what you want to show the world, whether it's a high-quality video, product images, or any other kind of content, there's one key factor almost every piece of content needs. A lot of people ignore it, and that can seriously hurt their chances of getting results. Today, I'm not just going to show you what that factor is. I'm going to show you how to apply it using a completely free and unlimited AI tool. I'm talking about music. That's right, something as simple as a background song can take your video from slow, boring, and forgettable to something that feels like a real movie and actually makes people feel something. But if you're like me, finding copyright-free songs you actually like is extremely difficult, and creating them yourself is even harder. So I found the perfect tool. Open Treblo. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. On this platform, we can do most of what we need, but we have to configure it correctly. Don't feel overwhelmed by all the options, because today I'm going to show you the most important ones. On the homepage, we'll see a list of songs we can play to understand the kind of music this platform can create.
I want to feel, I want to feel, I want to feel, I want your heartbeats on my skin. I sense emotion and it shakes me up.
Sounds good, right? If you really like one of them, click it and pay attention to the tags at the top. In a moment, I'll show you how to use them to create a song that is not just similar, but customized for any kind of content. Going back to the previous section, we'll find songs grouped by category. I recommend checking these before you start creating because they can give you ideas and help you understand what works. And if you don't find anything you like, don't worry. Later, I'll give you a prompt I created specifically for this platform. You'll only need to add the type of content you're making, and it will give you the full setup you need to create the perfect song. We'll get to that in a bit. So, how do we create a song? It's very simple. Go to the menu on the left and click Create. If you don't want to make it complicated, you can write what you want your song to sound like in this section. There are better ways to do it, and we'll cover them soon. But for a first test, let's add a prompt. I'll leave these prompts and all the links for the tools I'm using today, plus free text and image AI tools you can use, on my website in the description. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. When we click Generate, the song starts generating. On the right, we have a preview area where two songs are generated at the same time using the same settings, so we can choose the one we like best afterward. Once it finishes loading, let's listen to it.
Give me something real. I keep folding, hiding how I feel. Hard to handle, burning down the candle. Show me what is left, give me one more breath. Give me something.
The result is pretty good, but it isn't perfect. To make the songs even better, click Advanced. Now we get a menu with many more settings. First, in the sound section, we have a place where we can add different tags. We can use the catalog below, and when we click one tag, the platform starts showing related tags or tags that could work well with the one we just added. We can click several of them, or even type a theme ourselves and see whether the platform has tags for it. You'll see that there are practically endless options. And if we want to copy the tags from a song we liked, like the ones we saw earlier on the homepage, we can go back to that song and click this button next to the tags. That takes us back to the Create section with those tags already added. Of course, you can still add more if you want. Once the sound settings are ready, we have a few options. In the lyrics section, there are 3 modes. The first one is auto lyrics. Here, just like before, we can describe what we want the song to be about. We don't need to write the full lyrics ourselves, but we can give the AI extra direction beyond the tags, so the result is more specific. You can also choose custom lyrics if you want to write the lyrics yourself and have the AI sing them using the style we selected above. Or you can choose no lyrics if you want background music for a story video or a review, so the lyrics don't distract from the voiceover and the song works purely as background audio. A few seconds later, this is the result.
Static pockets full of plastic string. The yellow sweater that I wore back when I was younger looks too small now. I saw the sunset turn the river to copper. Finding out the hard way. Living for a Friday. Giving all my time away. Wait for...
As you can hear, it's much better, but we're not done yet. Like I said before, I have a prompt we can use to make the song specific to each piece of content we create. But before that, I know many of you don't want to stop at music. You also want to create videos, images, or even voices that can narrate your content. So I've been researching the best option for that, and I found Higgsfield. Inside Higgsfield, we get the best image, video, and audio models in one place without paying for several separate subscriptions. And we can connect the platform directly to the new Claude Fable 5. The process is simple. Open Claude's website, choose the new model, and once you're inside, go to the menu on the left and click Customize. Then click Connectors. Now click the plus button at the top and choose Add Custom Connector. In this menu, for the name, write Higgsfield. For the URL, go back to the Higgsfield website, click the option at the top called MCP and CLI, and copy the first code under the MCP option, which is the one for Claude. Now go back to the previous section, paste the code, click Connect, approve the connection, and now it's connected. What does this unlock? We can use all the features we saw before, but instead of making every decision ourselves, one of the most powerful reasoning AIs in the world can make those decisions for us. Let's ask it to create a natural female voiceover for selling a product. Once that's ready, we'll ask it to create several images of products that could sell well this year, decide which one is best, and then create an ad-style video for that product using the voice it just generated in the background. And once that's ready, if we want to reach more people, we can ask it to give us the same video, but with the voice in another language. With this, the possibilities are endless.
究極のハイドレーションをスタイリッシュに。
We're not just creating all kinds of content, we can now make that content understandable to people anywhere in the world. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. Now, going back to music on this free platform, I'll show you the most professional way to do it and how copyright works with these songs. The first thing I need you to do is open my website from the description and copy the prompt I'll leave in the PDF guide. You can copy it manually if you want, but it is much easier to copy it from there. Paste it into any AI text chat. Any free one will work. Inside the prompt, fill in the field that asks what type of video the song is for. It will return a list of tags that fit the content and are available inside Treblo, plus a description for custom lyrics so we can create the perfect song. Thanks to this prompt, the AI will tell us whether we should select no lyrics or custom lyrics. Then we fill in the information it gives us inside Treblo and click Generate. This time, the result will be perfect. No matter what kind of content you want to create, this can help a lot. One more important detail. This tool is not only free and unlimited, I didn't even have to sign in to use it. I do recommend signing in so your songs are saved to an account and you don't lose them, but it isn't required. And according to the platform's rules, we can use the songs we create here for free and without copyright claims, as long as we create them ourselves with an original prompt and don't copy an existing song. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.